Hello everyone. Question number 12. Find a pressure exerted by a force of 900 newtons on an area of 60 centimeters square. Area equal is A times B. And then we can calculate, in this case, the pressure. It's simple. Just you need to be careful in this type of problem. The newtons is in newtons by a square meter, not centimeter square, and then we need to convert the unit 60 centimeter square in meter square or square meters. Remember that the 1 square meter is 100 square decimal meter and 10,000 square centimeters meter, and then we need to divide for 10,000. And then 900 newtons divided by 0,006 centimeter square meter makes 150,000 newtons square meter. Thank you for watching. See you in the next question.